Hello, welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language in the Google Spreadsheet app. So as you may know, if you input a function in the Google Spreadsheet application, it's actually based on the language that you're using. So it can be really helpful if you use a language that you're familiar with. In the Google Spreadsheet application, there's actually no way to change it here. What you have to do is change the language for all your Google Drive applications. So we're going to create a new tab and go into the Google Drive application where we can find the settings. So what we're going to go from here is click on this cog, and then we press the settings button. And then we can go down to the language where we see the change language settings. And we press this, we enter this menu where we can change the language. So say that we want to change the language to French. Uh, we just press this one and then we select. And then when we return to the Google Drive, we can refresh it, and then we see that the language that is now used is French. So if we were to put in a new function here, we can actually see that the French language is actually used now. So okay, hopefully you find this useful, and thank you for watching.